This is Nugget, a little bird we rescued. He's perfectly fine, but he was being attacked by another animal, so we decided to keep him for a couple days to see how he's doing. We are going to teach him to fly so that he can be free. Though he's not doing as well. This is take one. Come on, Nugget. Alright, enough playtime.
Okay, Lily, feed him. Thank you.
Eat that. I get some food in your mouth.
I know you're hurting, I know it's rough, I know you've seen so many things that mess you up. I know I'm learning, I know I'm young. I'll hit the fan, I'll be the one.